And we're live. No way. We're live. We're back. Hello, everyone. We're going to play a very, very, very obscure game, which I really love. This involves no puzzles and no strategy. What's I gonna say? Strategy. No strategies involved. It's just awesome cutscenes and just shoot. But first I'm gonna check on the stream, just to make sure everything's running smoothly. And then, make myself a drink. I suggest you do the same. And I'll be right back. Enjoy the intro sceney thingy. Let's play some RE. We are back. I am back. It's just me. I'm back. Alright. Kenneck's nipples are very hard. Welcome! Welcome, buddy! Welcome! Let me go. Hang on, let me have a sip first before I welcome you once for the third time. This drink tastes weird. Okay, but it's all I have right now. Alright, let me put my glasses on. I can read the chat from afar. Yes, I'm back, Kerex. I am back. Thank you for the welcome back. Nothing shall stand in my streaming. Nothing shall stand in the way of my streaming. Anyway, before we get way too excited about this, let's get started. This is Resident Evil Darkside Chronicles. Many people haven't played this game because it's an obscure title. Come on, press start. Oh, getting the cutscene again. Let's go.
Resident Evil, the Darkside Chronicles.
I'll try to stay very quiet when they're actually talking about stuff. I'll try my best to stay quiet. Funny thing about this game is that I don't remember finishing it. I don't remember finishing. I have no idea how long this game is. So my intention is just to play the Resident Evil 2 part of it. But if I realize that it's very short, I will cut the stream and we'll continue it next. I'm drunk already? No, if it's too short, I'll keep going. If it's too long, I'll split this session in two. That's what I was supposed to say. Here we go. Start over. What's this? Hang on a sec. I want to start a new game. Okay. Not the checkpoint. Normal. Chronicles.
The Umbrella Corporation, creator of the spreading T-virus, has practically collapsed, and no cases involving BOWs have been reported since the Raccoon City incident. According to information we recently retrieved, a former Umbrella researcher contacted a man by the name of Javier Hidalgo in a small South American country. Javier, an ex-drug lord with political ties, disappeared shortly thereafter.
I want to go with Leon, of course. Look, it's Jack Krauser before he became bad. When they were still buddies. This is actually a session when I'm playing together before he went bad. We're not going to play as Jack Krauser, we're going to play as Leon, of course. You see, it's one more time we're going to play as Leon. Before the events of Resident Evil 4. Duh. Okay, here we go.
Javier Hidalgo, a man equally famous for his extravagant lifestyle. Following his sudden disappearance, we found out that he had attempted to approach Umbrella. Just what are you up to now, Javier?
So, you think BOWs actually exist? Oh, wait. You said you faced him before, huh?
This is my first mission with Krauser. He's a soldier with the U.S. Special Operations Command and has quite the resume of accomplishments in the field. But to him, after all he's been through, BOWs, cryptid, they're all the same.
Our guide is in the village up ahead. He'll take us to Amparo, where Javier is hiding out. Come on, let's move.
Welcome, Pixelsoft. You thought I couldn't stream, but nothing can stop me.
Pretty quiet around here.
Everything is sorted. Everything is fine.
Where is everyone?
Y ahora, las noticias. The number of missing teenage girls has now risen to over 50.
Hello, King Tim. Nice to see you. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Playing a very obscure, well, not a very obscure game, but quite an obscure Resident Evil game.
It's more than just girls that have gone missing. There's no one left.
Something's wrong. It smells like a battlefield.
Battlefield?
Yeah, like death.
You'd be surprised how many people actually haven't played this game. This game is, I'm not gonna say it's fantastic, but the visuals are really great.
Huh. He looks hurt. Hey, you okay? What happened here?
Krauser, wait!
Yeah, what?
Something's not right with this guy.
Okay. Yeah, many people haven't played this game, and it's a fantastic game. I mean, it's
Didn't see that
yeah,
coming.
very weak.
So this is what Umbrella's
but,
virus can do, huh?
It's the same story. What do you know?
There was something different about this one.
It's a rail shooter, yes. I know it's a weak thing, but at least you get the same story
Better find
retold
that guide.
with great visuals.
Before it's too late. All right.
And the voice acting is much easier this time.
Their heads! Blow their heads off! Not bad, comrade. If that's the toughest these bioorganic weapon things get, then we got nothing to worry about.
Thank you for being here, Pixelsoft. Oh, pick it up! Pick it up! No!
I owe you
You're
one.
gonna kill me in the 14. You're gonna try.
I'm sure you'll get the chance to go.
I wanted to play this on my Wii, but I played this on my Wii, but I forgot I lent it to someone. I lent it to someone and I never got it back. So yeah, there's that. So I'm playing it with the stupid analog. With the Wii, it's better with the Wii controller. I wanted to hook up the Wii today.
This is bad.
It's alright, King Tim. Thank you for coming. Lurk away, buddy. Lurk away.
Let's keep moving.
Yeah, bare bones. Kedex gets hard nipples whenever I stream, apparently. No.
This way!
I will start reloading my gun every shoot I make. Every shot I take. Because so I'll just start doing the habit of reloading each time.
This is one hell of a mess we're in.
Get away!
These guys sure are hungry.
Kedex.
These things are hiding everywhere, huh?
Spooder! Spooder, man! Shoot him in the butt.
So that was a BOW too, huh?
Oh no. Run!
Look, a snake tattoo. This is the mark of Javier's men. The sacred snakes.
What is Javier doing with this virus?
Bare bones. You will. You will. Do you stream Bare Bones? Do you?
Water keeps rising.
If you do, I assume it's Twitch, eh? Because last time you were encouraging me.
This looks like Javier's doing. Son of a bitch must have opened the water gate.
You think he knew we were coming?
Who knows? I got my doubts about our guide still being alive.
Yeah. We'll be dead too if we're not careful.
No, pick it
Hey,
up.
what was that?
Hey, Tristan.
Let's find out.
Welcome to the stream, Tristan.
Anyone here?
You're laughing about how Kedex gets hard nipples whenever I stream, huh? That's why you're lolling. Pretty sure he says it to everyone, though. I'm sure he
Just
says
keep
it to
moving.
everyone.
All right. The river took the bridge out.
This way! Be careful.
The game volume is
There's
a tad
something
high.
in the water.
Alright. Yeah, I'll figure this out after
Sure are hungry little bastards.
Let me try to put the volume down of the stream. Hang on. Now that I almost hit 1,000 subs. Was there... Ah, yes, the Twitch alerts are much better when it comes to streaming on Twitch, yeah. Hang on, I'm gonna check quickly. The audio. I'm gonna put the... Let me see if I can put this down. I don't know if it makes any difference. Let's see if it makes any difference.
Get inside!
Spooder! Spooder! Yeah, almost hit 1,000 subs, but still not. Still not 1,000 subs. And you know, 1,000 subs sounds like a milestone, but I've been with this YouTube channel for a very long time. No, come on, pick it up.
Let's go.
I've been on this channel for a very long time now. I should have hit 1,000 subs 3 years ago. But I've been lazy.
That's our guide. What happened?
That girl.
The girl? What girl?
She brought devils to this village. She escaped from Javier's mansion. I helped her, but then she...
Javier's mansion? Wait, where is she now? Hey! Shit, he's gone. He said she escaped from Javier's mansion.
Yeah. You think it was one of those missing girls?
The sacred snakes traffic organs on the black market. Could have something to do with one of them, yeah. According to our report, there was no conclusive evidence linking the two, but, I think we'll need to track down that girl to find out for sure.
Well, now that our guide is dead, she could be our only chance to find Javier's mansion. There should be a boat over by the church. Let's check it out. What was that?
Where's the body?
Something in the water. It took him.
Yeah, I do have a second account. Bare bones. But hang on, I do have a second account, but the thing is this. It's VloggyBuddy too, yeah, but I don't upload on that anymore. I started off with that channel by making hack-runs, Pokemon games back in the day. It was easy to make a hack-run, like customizing your own Pokemon game.
Church
I used
is
to love
probably
that
over
so
there.
much.
Which
And
way
I used
should
to have
we
a channel
go?
where I used to upload my work. Go left or go right? Go left or go right? Go right. Right?
I think this way's better.
And the thing is, I stopped working on those hack runs anyway. I was doing well, that's why I have a lot of subs, because people used to enjoy watching those. People used to enjoy watching those kind of videos, but it wasn't my thing anymore. What's this? Oh wait. Okay. They used to... He tagged me, as some would say. He tagged me. So I don't use that channel anymore. I wanted to, I want to keep using that channel because yes, just like you said, I have 1,000 subs over there as well. For figured I'd keep this channel Maltese and that other channel English. But it wasn't working. When I started uploading Let's Plays on it, there's a couple of Let's Plays.
There's the church.
When I started uploading Let's Plays, there were people saying, I don't remember subbing to this account because I changed the username as well. Back it was KenBuddy. It was KenBuddy something. And then I changed it to VloggyBuddy too, so people were like, I don't remember subbing to this channell.
What the hell was
and
that?
I made a video saying, listen,
Where
if
did
you
it go?
sub to this channel, things are gonna change.
I think it's gone.
But first of all, I couldn't keep up with two YouTube channels. And I figured, why don't I use my main one, this VloggyBuddy one? There you go, tag. So I figured, why don't I just keep one channel and switch this one to English anyway? So yeah, that's it. But I kept it because it's linked to the main Gmail account that I use. You know what?
Wait.
Right. Look, it's through nightfall. Look, it's through nightfall.
You hear
Thank
that?
you. Thank you, Tristan. 3-star. Thank you so much. Do I have 1,000 subs now? Seriously? Do I? I don't think I have to. No, I don't have 1,000 subs though. Do I?
Protect you from the dark.
But no, don't sub to the old one.
River will watch you as you dream until
Leon.
dawn. Sleep, my love. Close your eyes.
Thank you so much for coming through. Don't worry. Do what you gotta do, buddy.
Where do I
Thank you
shoot?
so much for showing some
Thing is
love.
huge! How the hell are we supposed to kill it?
An herb. Leon. Because Leon's doing all the work apparently.
We'd have a better chance
Yeah, I
fighting
think
this out in the open!
My channel was never taken from me, but yeah, I know what you mean. It's the cover of my channel and they let me see. I wasn't gonna wait 6 months? 6 months? As if. This happened to be on the R1. That's it. People complain. Well, this, even though it's not perfect, it's still better than the one.
Shoot its tentacles!
Whoa! Actually, reload exactly when you throw the smoke.
There!
Because I ran out of ammo. I got the shotgun, but It's still really loud. Dang it! What am I doing wrong? Hang on. Settings. What am I doing wrong? Audio. What if I put my volume up here? What if I put my microphone volume up and this one goes 0? Can I do that like this? Apply. Does it work like that? I don't know. I'm gonna try. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Let's see. Let's see now. Rip? No, I didn't rip. I didn't rip. What rip? Headphone users perhaps rip. The bell, I need to shoot the bell. Something like that. Yes. There we go. I don't know, is the audio any better now? I'm trying my best, I don't know. But the game is very loud, huh? The game is very, very, very loud.
We did it!
Like this. Can you guys still hear me?
Leon.
Hang on.
What the hell is going on here? You fought these things before?
Okay, I think we're back. Sorry about that. I don't know, stupid OBS sometimes just feels like acting up. Are you guys alright? Sorry about that. Sorry, I hope it doesn't keep happening. Come on, it's not a game that requires 60 frames per second or something like that. But anyway, time to go back. No. I got the shotgun. Machine guns. Stupid stuff. Let's go. Now, who am I gonna be? A Leon or Claire? This is my favorite part of this game. Hey, Sean Slaughter! Welcome to the stream! We're playing some Resident Evil 2 Remake. Alright, let's see if it persists. One more time. Oh my goodness, it's still saying this. It's still saying dropped frames and... oh man. I don't know why. I don't know why it's saying this. What can I do? And the best part is it's saying that... oh my goodness. Hang on. Let me try refreshing. Hang on. I can barely be heard apparently. Can you guys hear me? I checked on my own stream. Okay, one last try. One last try. If this keeps happening, I'm gonna quit it. I'm going to quit it. But I'm gonna make myself another drink because I stressed myself out so much. So I deserve that. I'll be right back. Okay, let's go. Let's kick off some Resident Evil 2. Sorry about this. If it keeps happening, I'll have to end the stream because it seems to be running fine now. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Kerex, I appreciate you keeping me informed if something goes wrong, like with my voice or with my stream, all that. I have another monitor, but I don't look at it often, so here we go. I don't expect you to be one. I don't expect you to be here anyway. That's what I mean. Like, no pressure, buddy. If you have to go, you gotta go. So here we go. I'm gonna have a sip of raspberry vodka.
All right. Let me go back to the beginning. My fight against bio-warfare all started in a zombie-infested ghost town. It was September 1998. My first and only day as a police officer.
Get down!
Move!
Not bad.
I never thought any of this stuff my brother taught me would work.
Stars. A special force issue, huh?
It's my brother's. That's why I'm here, to find him. I'm Claire Redfield.
Hey, Leon Kennedy.
Okay, we're back. Thank you, Kerex. Thank you.
So, what exactly is going on around here?
Raccoon City.
No clue. I just got here myself.
Well then, guess I shouldn't rely on you to show me about.
Damn it, I can't get a signal on this thing either. Hey, let's go over to the police station. We should be able to find out something there.
Right. It could blow up at any minute. Let's go.
What's your brother's name?
Chris Redfield.
What's wrong?
Hey, go away.
Where are they all coming from?
Oh no, they're over here too!
Hey, Luke. Welcome to the stream. We're playing some Resident Evil Umbrella Chronicles.
Leon,
Darkside
over
Chronicles.
here.
Sorry. Darkside Chronicles. It's the closest thing we have to Resident Evil 2 remake.
No! It won't open! No, go back!
You gotta be kidding. Don't tell me there's gonna be more of these things.
Still talking about the dips.
Here they go. Take the side out.
Okay. They're everywhere!
They're next to me.
They're coming!
There are too many.
Look, it's Mr. Gunshot.
What?
It's coming from inside.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh! What are you doing?
I can pick up a lot of stuff from here,
He's
apparently.
eating him!
Hey, are you alright?
Alright. Shit.
I can't believe this.
Are you kidding? We're getting in.
Hey, Rebels, I discovered the Maltese streamer. I mean, big whoop, that's not what I meant, but a girl streamer. Apparently she has like, I'm not so sure, but she has in her in
grab whatever
thousands
firepower
of
we can.
followers. Well, I mean, it's one of those
We
girls
need
that
guns.
Pick up. It's one of those
We better get out of here!
females that.
We should go out the back.
How do you say it? Well,
What's wrong with this town?
I never watched her play actually,
What
but
the hell are they?
Hey, I'm a rookie.
Hang on, take a
Don't
sip.
ask me. I just got here.
What is that? Do you smell that?
I think most of them
God,
subscribe
it
because
reeks!
she's kind of pretty.
Something must be rotting.
But
We better be
yeah,
careful.
I'll send you a picture or a link to her Twitch. Maybe you know who I'm talking about.
Let's go.
That's her. That's her, yes, that's her. That's right. Yes. I never watched her play yet. I know what kind of games she plays, but she has thousands of followers
I want a piece of you,
on
huh?
Twitch.
Very funny.
We're making a big deal out of this because we don't get many Maltese gamers. Don't we, Bear? Don't we? Ooh! Doggies!
Time to put these dogs down.
Especially when they're girls. Or even there.
Behind her, the cop too.
So you watch her too? She plays League of... Alright, fair enough. And my mic is still low. Dang it! My mic is still low! Hang on, let me just put my mic on. Hold on.
It's all right now.
I can do this.
Let's
I
go.
can do this.
Yeah.
Settings,
Why are they
audio,
attacking humans?
and my mic.
The men in the gun shop. It looked like they were.
No way. I'm not gonna
She
let
okay
that
now?
happen to me. We're not the only ones left alive, are we?
No, of course not. Can't give up. There's gotta be someone left alive.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, look at this guy. He committed suicide after death.
Where'd that come from?
Here too?
Can I shoot these? No. Yes, I did. Ooh, well, I probably reacted before. Because I know that there's like a little, not delay, but I'm ahead of time apparently when it comes to my streams. I need to fix that. Bare bones, you need to tell me how to do that. Come on, pick that up, pick that up.
Watch your step.
Everyone in this vicinity must evacuate to the Raccoon City Police Station immediately. An emergency evacuation has been initiated and the rest of the city is on its way.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, nice to hear a human voice out here. Let's go out on the main street.
I can't even get one.
Don't wait for me.
There, come on. Get out of the way.
Stay down.
There's a street.
I never caught her live so far. I mean, I followed her page,
Careful.
and
They could attack
I
us at
followed
any
her page,
minute.
and I checked out her Twitch page, but I never caught her live actually.
This is like a horror
I don't know if
movie.
she's good or not, but
But you don't have to do this many stunts in a horror movie.
All right. If we can get through here, the police
she
station is
doesn't
close.
look or sound Maltese at least. Oh. I didn't change the delay. No, not yet. I didn't change the delay. I don't know how to change that. I don't know what to push, and I'm scared. Sorry, I'm blowing in your
It's so
faces now because my
quiet.
microphone's up in my face. so that
Yeah, this place is
I'm
in
not very
ruins
low.
too.
But this
Maybe
game is
I'll
very loud. It's
evacuate.
loud by nature. It's
I hope so. The Raccoon City Police Station is only 2 blocks away. Better get moving.
Leon, look!
oh, I need to pick that up. Okay, good.
These things
Here,
are
doggy.
everywhere! There was nothing here just a minute ago!
My aim is horrible. I want to play with my Wii. Not this one. I mean, my
This is
Wii, my
taking
Nintendo
forever.
Wii.
There's too many of them.
Guys, what you thinking?
They won't let us through.
I hate this!
No, I'd rather play this with my Nintendo Wii. It's easier, I think, to aim with the Wii remote.
We can't kill them all.
But I couldn't hook this up, hook the Wii up, because of the stupid game that I gave to someone I don't know who. I think I don't know who I gave it to.
I think we should get out of here. And quick. Damn it. The barricade's already broken. There it is. That's the Raccoon City Police Department.
No.
Sure?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
My goodness.
I'm sure.
Are you sure? That's so
Watch it,
stupid.
you'll catch
That's
fire.
so stupid.
What?
This is where I work. This is where I work. This is the building where I work. Are you sure?
Are you alright?
Clear. Behind you.
I hope Resident Evil 2 Remake is gonna be good. I really hope so. This takes me back, walking around these areas.
They're even here?
Courtyard, or let's go to courtyard right away.
Yeah.
Ah, crap.
Oh, not again.
I can never get one with these. Oh, I just got one.
Let's
just
get
take an
going.
herb, just in case. How many herbs do I have? I have 3. Oh, crap, come on! Oh, so
Behind
many!
you!
Come on, Pooch.
Oh, this is great. Now they're coming from all sides.
They just
No, no.
keep coming!
The head! Shoot them in the head!
Is that all she plays, League of Legends? Is that all she plays?
Thank God. At least the police station is secure.
No, it's not.
Let's take a break. Because it looks like it's gonna be a long night.
Alright. We're there. I'm gonna check this delay thing actually. Settings. I go on audio. And there's something that says push to talk delay milliseconds. So I need to set that to 0. Push to talk delay milliseconds. Not sure if that's the one. I don't push anything to talk. I just talk. You know. Story of my life. I just talk. When I'm not talking, I'm thinking about talking. So. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the game either. No, not a fan of the game either. Hang on, I'm just gonna quickly check that the stream is running perfectly fine. Because my computer went on screensaver and I have to... I need to stand up to move the mouse. I'll be right back. Yeah, I mean sound delay. Sometimes I tend to go ouch before I get hit. Maybe you noticed. Sometimes I tend to do that. I go ow before I get hit. I go ow and then I get hit. I must have messed something up. Luke, welcome back, Luke. Welcome back. That's what I mean. Yeah, stream delay. All right, let's see what I got now. Maybe it's a problem with the Elgato. I don't know. No, I think I messed something up, to be honest with you. I think I messed something up, but I'm not bothered. It's not even that much of a big deal, to be honest with you. It doesn't really bother me that much. Sometimes somebody points it out. Me? If I remember you? Me? Of course I remember you, Luke. Of course I do. I remember everything. Everything. Let's go. Next. I'm thinking of getting a Nintendo 3DS capture card for Pokemon. It's very expensive, but I think I will. And yes, if I do, I think he does. And yes, that's right. Okay, here we go. Listen to that track from the old Resident Evil.
Look, there's a guy on the ground. Hey, you okay?
Who the hell are you?
Don't shoot, we're human.
Oh, the rookie. Like your welcome party? Nice surprise, huh?
Who are you?
I'm Will Smith.
Marvin Branagh. I'm the guy who's supposed to be your boss.
You need a doctor.
I'm a very good boss if you don't remember who I am.
Don't worry about me. You gotta go help the others.
But
Just go, now.
All right, but we'll be back. Hello? Anyone there? What was that?
what is this?
What the hell?
Careful. We've got company.
What happened here?
Ooh! Get me?
Leon, are you alright?
Where'd it go?
What was that?
Oh!
Up there!
Two of them?
Let's go. We better get out of here quick.
It's all right. Barricade is holding.
They're everywhere!
There he is. No.
It's not safe here anymore.
Herb it up. Herb it up. Where's my herb? I don't have one. I lose them each time I start a new scenario. Oh my goodness.
Are you ready?
Anytime.
They got this place too.
Let's use it. There we go.
Let's go upstairs. Someone might be there.
Okay. It's so quiet.
Yeah, too quiet.
turbo zombies.
This is crazy.
Chance I got that one.
Is that a girl? Hey, wait!
Out of my way!
Who, me? One more to 1,000
Forget
subs?
about
No,
that.
you're kidding me. No. Stop pulling my leg. One more to 1,000 subs. What you talking about, Willis?
Wait!
Close.
It's too dangerous on your
I know
own!
I'm close, but not 1,000 subs. Come on, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
I gotta break down the door. Move
You
back!
see, we broke this door.
There she is!
It's too dangerous! Come back!
Why does she keep running away from us?
She's just scared.
Get out of my way!
Wait!
Yeah.
Leave her!
Stay away from her!
Please! Come back here!
Even me, I think he thought it was 999, I think. It's 959, that's what I thought, yeah. It's this guy again. There we go.
Where did she go?
She's
You
up
had the
there.
lapsus, buddy.
Shit!
I thought so. It's like a shoot now. Yeah, she looked like she needed
She
another
isn't here
butthole,
either.
bare bones. So I
We'll
gave her
find
another
her.
butthole just in case. Ooh, not you again. Did you guys know that lickers are actually related to crimson heads and zombies? They're like next evolution step. There's zombies, then there's crimson heads, and apparently there's lickers afterwards.
Marvin! Did you see a little girl go past here?
Wait, there's something wrong with him.
He's gonna turn purple or something.
Oh God. He's dead.
There's something about the police station. I love it so much. The Resident Evil 2 police station. I love it so much. It has childhood written all over it. I love it. He's gonna get up. He's gonna get up. He's gonna turn purple or something.
Damn it. I'm sorry, Marvin.
I'm sorry too, but there's nothing we can do. Right now, we've got to find that girl.
Marvin!
There you go.
Oh! How the... He was just...
Not him too. I'm sorry it turned out like this.
And that does it. Fantastic. Why does it keep asking me to? I can't sign in because I need to perform an update and I'm too lazy. You know what? Time for another drink. Be right back. And I'm back, butt of steels. I'm back. This is on PS3. This is PS3. Originally it came out on the Wii. This was a Wii exclusive, but you know how it is. Timed exclusives, then after a while, after a few years, it won't matter anymore on which system it came first and what exclusivity it had and blah blah blah. And it came out on the PS3. I still prefer it on the Wii, to be honest with you. Let's go.
We gotta find that girl. What do you want to do? Split up?
No, it's better if we stick
I wish
together.
they had the same idea on Resident Evil 2, but no.
I don't want to pull my gun on you.
Same here.
So my herbs are gone, eh, again? Yep, they're gone.
Leon! We've got to get out of here fast!
Screw this! Let's go!
Two, 3, 6. This is the combination of that save over there, but it's gone. Doesn't even show that there's a save over there, but there's a save. Let's go.
This is like hell on earth. Whether you're in the station or outside on the streets, it's all the same.
Hey, Luca. Hey, Luca. Welcome.
We gotta find her fast.
Yeah.
I was having some problems earlier. I think you were the one that was here earlier, yeah? Yeah, I was having some problems. Sorry about that. Should be okay now. Because OBS works whenever it feels like. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Get in, quick! Which way?
Let's go right.
Yes, 160. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Gotcha.
Is that a rescue helicopter?
Rescue helicopter is gonna crash on the roof. There it is. There you go. Hang on, I think it's that guy. Mr. X or something like that. Yeah, there he is. Uh-oh, time to switch weapons.
What is that?
Did he just come through the roof?
What do we do?
Just run!
Whoa, did you see that?
It's coming after us!
That is awesome. No, no, no.
Something tells me he's not gonna listen to reason.
How many of you guys actually played Resident Evil 2 and actually faced this guy? Ouch. Why are you shooting? Come on. No, no. Ouch, it's not gonna work.
Now!
What the hell is that thing?
He's a monster!
Look, right now we just need to find that girl.
I was looking at chat, I'm sorry. I was looking at chat. Hang on, because I need to be careful. I don't wanna Die. I don't want to do this again. Thank you very much.
Run
flames?
now! We can't get through here! He's here!
Don't you die? No!
Gotta find a way.
We have to put out the fire somehow.
Like that.
How?
There's gotta be a way.
Easier said than done. It's clear. Let's go.
Oh, we did it. Cat knows.
Get down! Watch out!
What's so dark? Look at that with the torch. How cool! It was so cool, and with the
Don't be afraid.
and with the Wii,
We're here to
with the
help
Wii remote,
you.
it felt like you were holding a torch.
You can trust us! Hey, wait! Ah! We've got to help him!
Ooh, I forgot I'm wearing this gown, I was gonna say.
It's all right now. Do I look like a
Look,
monster
I got
to you?
trophies!
I'm Claire. What's your name? Sherry. Hey, wait! Where are you going?
Wow.
My mommy and daddy's lab is in the basement. Let's go.
I didn't pick it up. I didn't pick up the gold. Did you see the gold? So now it's Leon, Claire, and Sherry together. They went through this pathway. See, they don't meet Ada. That's weird. I don't remember this. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna use the herb. Oh, more liquors.
Sherry!
Whoa, 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 yeah. Go away. Go away.
Sherry, stand back!
Even before they lay eggs.
Sherry, are you all right? I'm okay.
Shh! Something's back there.
Chief of police.
Isn't she beautiful? I was about to stuff her.
Chief Irons?
You know him?
Prowling around at a time like this. You're after G too, aren't you?
Gee.
Don't play dumb with me. Oh. Aren't you Dr. Perkins? I bleed. That's not supposed to happen.
Sherry!
Hold on! We need to stop this thing first!
Oh, nose.
Where's Sherry?
I don't know!
Come on.
What the hell is this place? Ugh!
There's something coming! Climb up! Hurry!
throwing all the grenades in his face. Is it working?
Want some more?
It is! It did! Look at that!
What's G? What does it stand for?
Gaudens.
I have no idea.
I don't know.
But we should find Sherry first.
You're right. I'm pretty sure she's still around here somewhere.
Let's go then.
And we're done. We're done. Are we halfway through Resident Evil 2? I don't know. Moving on. This game is very straightforward. It just has some intense battles and that's it. But it's nice to revisit the story. I can't wait for the Resident Evil 2 remake. Let's go. Pick that up. Oh, I missed it.
Sherry, where are you?
Sherry, answer if you can hear me.
Sorry, she must have come this way.
Where did she go?
A gunshot.
Back there. Let's go.
Are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. You saved me some bullets.
I'm Leon. This is Claire. And you are?
Ada Wong. Hey, you're a cop here, right? Do you know a Ben Bertolucci? I'm looking for him.
Sorry, but I just got assigned here.
What are you doing here?
Ben has information regarding this crisis.
What kind of information?
Not sure exactly, but that's what I'm here to find out.
Hey!
What is with her?
Claire, come on. Wait a second.
Behind you!
Thank you, Ada.
See him coming.
Ada's so cool. I love Ada.
Wait!
Hey, hold up!
What is it?
Watch out!
Seems like they only attacked me for some reason. You were right, and I'm the only one that got attacked.
Yes.
Look, I know we don't know each other, but we're the only survivors left. We need to work together.
Shh. What is that?
No! Get away from me!
Ben?
It's coming this way.
This is awesome. Look at that.
What the hell?
It's okay. It doesn't know we're here. I think it's gone.
Wait, is that thing the chief?
No idea.
What about you? You know anything?
Huh? No. This is all new to me. But that scream.
Yeah, we better check it out.
This must be?
A lockup.
Oh, God.
That scream we just heard. It must have been him.
We're too late. That's Ben. There's something on the wall.
With no hope of survival, I write this. He must be talking about the police department's involvement with the pharmaceutical giant Umbrella.
Look at this. The station and the lower level lab at Umbrella are connected by a sewer. If we can get access to that sewer, we can get out of here. Huh? Where'd she go?
Ada? She was just here.
Where'd she go? Ada!
The body's gone!
I shook my controller, but I don't think the 6-axis works. Hang on.
Let's get out of here. She's probably headed for the sewer.
He's coming back. It's cool, it's Resident Evil. You're going through the game, but you don't have to do any of the puzzles.
On your right!
It's fine, right?
Door's open.
Do you think she came this way?
I actually got excited when
She
this
didn't
game
run
was
into that
announced because I
monster.
actually thought it was gonna be anything like Resident Evil 2, but it wasn't. But it's alright.
Ada!
Come on, Claire, you had one job. Where did you go?
Calm down! This ain't where it's at!
Why don't you give it a try? Where are you running off to?
Where'd Ada go?
She could have gone to the parking lot. This'll take us down to the sewer.
Let's go.
Wait, Leon. If she did come through here, why would she go alone? There's something about her that bothers me.
She just wants to get out of here, Claire. And she needs our help.
Men. You just want to impress her, don't you?
Women. Kind of a tight fit.
There should be
This is
spooters
never
down here.
gonna work.
Yes, I was right.
It's gotta be a bad dream!
Pick up what? Pick up what up there? Pick up what up there? It's distracting me. Alright, I picked up an Umbrella logo. I don't know what it is, but I picked it up.
Give me a zombie any day over this.
Adios, Spidey!
Oh, babies! Oh, babies! Sorry, I blew in your faces. I'm sorry. Forgive me. There we go.
Was wondering when some more people were gonna pop up?
No. It's easier to shoot than with the knife. The knife doesn't work.
Oh god. I know I'm gonna have nightmares about this.
You're gonna have nightmares about the spiders, not the zombie outbreak, but anyway. This door is the way out. This one, not that one. Uh-oh.
What was that?
More of these. Am I gonna have to fight the monster again? Time to use this again. Ninja.
What was that?
It came from over there.
Hey, anybody in here?
Leon?
Ada, is that you? Are you alright?
Yeah. Here. I thought you could use this.
Ooh, thank you very much.
Good luck, Leon. This is goodbye.
Oh, what?
Ada, wait!
Ada, wait!
There she goes again.
If she can get out of here safely, that's all that matters.
Well,
I won't be happy
you're worried
if
about
in the remake
her,
it doesn't
we
say
could
Ada,
go
wait.
after her.
No, it's fine. We need to find Sherry.
Okay.
Not again!
We don't have to fight the monster again, do we? No, it's this guy now.
It's that thing again!
Okay, okay.
What do we do?
I died! No! But I'm using the first aid spray, so I get to continue. Phew. And his health is still down. That's perfect. I dodged it.
Thought you had me, huh?
Almost. I died. Yes, I died. Oh, man. Now what happens? What happened? Do I have to start over again? The whole thing? The whole shebang? We'll see. I want to finish Resident Evil 2 tonight. Oh, it's okay.
It's that thing again! He's too strong! Get away from me!
Oh, I pressed the wrong button. I'm an idiot.
Thought you had me, huh?
Come on, we can do this. Oh, so close! Look at that! Look at that! So close! I can't believe this.
Run! Damn it, it's locked! Jump!
Let's just run!
Shit, we're cornered!
It's so shaky!
What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I don't understand. Oh, he died. He doesn't even have a health bar anymore now. What am I supposed to shoot at? Oh, I'll have to do it again. Let's see. Maybe not. I have to do it again. Dang it.
It's that thing again!
What do we do?
Thought you had me. I don't think we can beat this thing!
Do I have an earth? Nope.
Damn it, it's locked!
Let's just run! It's so shaky!
Crap, I did press it. Come on. Ah, it's harder than it looks. Come on, we can do this now. I'm at full health. Reloading the gun, of course. I can change it. Instead of this one, perhaps, let me shoot some bows, some arrows, some bows. Come on! That took longer than it should have.
He's gone!
We did it.
Leon!
Ada!
There's nothing here for you, thief!
Ada! No!
Farewell. Damn it.
Leon, why?
That was good. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. Next. No, stop asking. And what's this? Never mind.
Leon! What happened?
I got shot. There was a woman.
Wait, you mean?
No, not Ada. She...
You're losing a lot of blood. Don't move. I've got to remove the bullet.
Who was that? She was about to kill you.
That's my problem, not yours.
Fine. Don't tell me. But you better start working with me here. Or we'll never make it out of this alive. Please, Ada. I need your help. I can't do this alone.
You're right. I'll help you.
Thanks.
But first, we need to find the others. Don't die, Leon. I owe you.
I guess she's on our side then. Lucky us.
She doesn't like her. She doesn't like her. Women.
Let's go. We need to find Sherry. Leon?
Yeah. Come on. Let's just find her and get out of here. Dark in here, huh?
Yeah. Good thing we have a flashlight.
There they
What
come.
was that?
You guys notice a little frame drop?
Is that?
You noticed the frame drop?
It can't be!
Showed up. I don't know. Still a bit laggy, actually. It's not the stream, guys. It's not the stream.
Better
the
be
game.
careful in this water.
If they croaked, at least we'd have some fair warning. We just can't seem to catch a break in this place, huh?
You said it.
More
Frogs? Are we calling them frogs? Are we calling them hunters?
Skip, we gotta go back.
Wait, they are frogs, I think. These are.
Go now!
Wait! Fine.
Wanna play?
Come on!
Ah, crap! Why am I picking up gold?
They're swimming towards us!
I'm not enjoying the gun. Whoa, 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 whoa. Time to herb it up. I was gonna say heal and herb, whatever. Leon, let's go.
Another dead end!
No. Look. A ladder.
I wonder where it leads.
Let's just get the hell out of here.
The map
Yeah.
is a bit different from Resident Evil 2 actually. I noticed that some areas are not the same, which is cool. No way.
Oh, those things are friggin' huge.
Damn it, there's too many.
Yeah, shoot
We need
this
to break
thing.
through.
Let's get out of here! It's alright. I don't see anything.
Let's go that way. It looks like there's a path ahead. Let's go up through here.
I hope we're going in the right direction.
Trying to pick that up. Uh-oh.
This way.
I heard something.
Here we go again. I've had enough of you guys.
So you prefer zombies?
You know what I mean.
Not this again.
Headed up above.
Great. Another ladder.
Don't have a choice. Let's go.
Oh man, not this again.
Still in the sewers.
Do we have to go through here?
Come on. They're just roaches. A little oversized. I think this will take us somewhere.
Not this guy again.
We just can't shake this guy. God.
Might as well fight him.
Copy that.
Look, there's a light.
This place is crawling with these things. Sherry? Sherry! Wait!
Oh, not this again.
If we lose her this time, we'll never find her again.
Sherry!
Come on, pick
Where
up some
did she
stuff.
go?
No! Come on! Well, I got a first aid spray, apparently. Frogs are cute.
Don't move!
Whoa.
What's your intention here?
My intention? We just want to get out of the city alive.
I don't think you understand what's going on here. Now is not the time for us to be pulling guns on each other. The city has been destroyed.
So?
Please, we don't have time for this.
Have you seen a little girl?
She's about 10 years old. Her name is Sherry.
Sherry?
Do you know her?
Sherry is my daughter.
What?
I told her to hide in the police station. William must be after her.
William?
William Birkin. He's Sherry's father, and the man who turned this city into a living hell to protect G.
G again? The hell is a G?
The G virus. It's the next generation virus that William and I developed at our daughter's expense.
Next generation virus?
It can form
Hey, Crawldox, thank you for coming by. Thank you so much.
Transcendental levels
You have a nice day, man.
For these modern times. Or so it was supposed to be.
This is Hunk. We've acquired all the G samples. Mission completed.
G, my creation will save me.
But the virus was flawed. Even if you survive the seroconversion with G, you become nothing more than a puppet to its will. Our research was a failure. His only concern now is to procreate. People with a genetic makeup similar to his own could stand to birth a superior offspring. Sherry.
Come on, we have to help her.
I can't. I've got unfinished business to attend to.
You've got to be kidding me.
If the embryo's been implanted, only the vaccine from the underground lab could save her. William, it's time to finish this.
Yeah, because 3 bullets is what it's gonna take to kill William. There should be a crocodile here that's somewhere.
Do something! I'm scared! Wait, Sherry, it's me, Claire! Sherry,
There's a
stop!
crocodile or an alligator, whatever. Or not. Is there gonna be one?
Everything's all right. It's us.
An earthquake?
That's no earthquake! What was that?
I don't believe
There it
this.
is.
Ah!
Sherry, run! How the hell are we gonna kill this thing?
Does that thing not have to do anything with what I'm aiming for? No way. I just keep. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's empty. Let's go. Eat leg. That's it. That's it.
Stop dying in here!
Not bad. Died. There we go.
Did we kill it? Playing dead.
Not again.
It's gonna.
Oh, his health bar is full again.
What are you talking about?
Whoa! Oh, I died. No. I didn't have I didn't have time to have the herb. My goodness. Let's try again. It's gonna take longer than I thought to finish this game.
Get off of me! We've got to do something!
Come on, Claire, he just wants a kiss.
I'm scared! Wait, Sherry, it's me, Claire! Sherry, stop!
Everything's alright. It's us. What's going on?
An earthquake!
That's no earthquake! What was that?
I don't believe this!
Ah!
Sherry, run! How the hell are we gonna kill this thing? Hurry! It's landing in the mountain!
Empty.
I think we can use it!
There we go. Alright, I think I'm better now. Hello, Oksana! Thank you for coming.
Did we kill it?
We're playing some Resident Evil Umbrella Chronicles. It's the closest thing we have to Resident Evil 2 remake right now.
Playing dead.
That's what we're gonna have to do for now.
What are you talking about?
Come on! Pick up the earth. There we go. Fine, good. Oh, he's cracking it. Whoa.
That was close.
Come on, pick it up. My goodness.
Can't take much more of this.
I know what to do.
There!
Exactly.
The canister!
Oh, I need good aim though. I don't have that. Now! No! Reload!
So, Rockstar didn't go too far.
She should be okay. I think she knows now that we're on her side.
Alright, he's gone. Whew! We're good now. We're safe. Next chapter.
After reuniting with Sherry, we managed to escape from the underground sewer, only to be faced with a new problem. Sherry became sick. She told us that while she'd been wandering the depths of the sewers, she had been implanted with a G embryo. But it wasn't too late. We began our journey into the bowels of the Umbrella facility to retrieve the vaccine.
How do you feel? It's okay. You're safe here. You can have it. It's yours now. For good luck.
Thank you.
Sherry has awesome nails. Did
you
you see
miss your
them?
mommy and
Look at her
daddy?
nails.
No. They're always more preoccupied with their research. But you know, I prefer to be alone.
Come on, we better hurry. She's getting worse.
Okay. Sherry, hang in there. We're gonna get the vaccine to make you better, okay?
Clear!
I promise we'll be back. Just wait here. We won't be long. We'll have to search the rooms one by one.
Wait, I'm picking up something. A signal.
A radio signal? From who?
Do you read me?
Annette?
Is Sherry there?
Yeah, she was attacked. She's in critical condition. Where are you now? Hey, you still there?
Be careful, especially with that woman.
What woman?
Ada. She's a special agent sent here to retrieve the G sample. She was approaching the researchers and obtaining information about Umbrella. She'll do whatever it takes to accomplish her purpose. She's highly dangerous.
I think you're wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. Ada isn't. Annette! Annette! Damn it, she hung up on me.
Look, we don't have time for her right now.
I know. Finding vaccine for Sherry is her top priority.
Let's go. Ugh, you've got to be kidding me!
I didn't think they'd be here, too.
Okay, a couple of things. One, he just said they didn't think they'd be here too. What? This is where they're made. What did you think? You didn't expect them to be here? This is where they're made. And another thing. Oh my goodness, him again.
It's Frenchie again!
What the hell is this guy's problem? Can't fight it. Sherry's right next door.
Right. Hey, Frenchie! Come on, Frenchie! Want some of this? Whoa!
He's fast!
I did press the button.
There's nowhere to hide!
No.
We need to get him further away!
That got his attention.
Leon.
You think he'll come after us?
That persistent thing? I wouldn't doubt it.
At least we got him away from Sherry. But there's no way we can take him down.
We need a plan.
We're running out of time.
Of course.
What the hell? What was it? A plant? A human?
I don't think it's either one. And we don't have time to figure it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow. Alright. No way! No freaking way! Try again.
You think he'll come after us?
That persistent thing? I wouldn't doubt it.
At least we got him away from Sherry. But there's no way we can take him down.
We need a plan.
We're running out of time. What the hell? What was it? A plant? A human?
I don't think it's either one. And we don't have time to figure it out.
Yeah, let's go. guess he's not coming after us. Wait, do you think he's going after Sherry?
No, I'm sure he followed us. See? I was right.
It's a pain to reload.
He must really like us. So what exactly is our plan?
I'm open to suggestions.
We have to figure out a way to kill him. He's here! It's so hot in here.
Wait! Down there! The blast furnace. If we could just push him over. Alright, come on down,
Trenchy. He keeps calling him Trenchy. I don't get it.
Let's finish this once and for all.
Thing is,
Lure him to the edge!
Okay.
It's gonna end right here, Trenchy.
Just a little more.
we're doing well so far. Of course.
Now!
Are you alright?
Barely.
Only got 5 left.
Where'd he go?
What's that?
It's a control panel. Probably for the blast furnace.
So these, maybe I can.
Self-destruct!
Look at the damage I did.
We're sitting ducks in here!
This way! Hurry!
Good, we can find him now.
Watch out! There aren't any handrails!
Even better! There you are! Aim for his head!
Easier said than done.
Come on, is that all you got?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And I did it?
He looks angry!
Good!
I died! Alright, we're close. He is quick for a big guy. You know what? It's funny how they don't call him Mr. X. Oh, Mr. X in this game. He calls him Trenchy. Trenchy. I love it.
Just another one of Umbrella's failed experiments.
Is he gonna do the Terminator thing? You know, his hand falling down? No? He should have done that.
Ada.
This place is gonna blow. There isn't much time left. Leon, you have to get out of here.
No. Not without you.
It's strange. I barely know you. But I knew you'd say that.
Ada. Grow up, Ken.
Favor returned.
Ada! He actually made out with her in this game, in this version, which is cool. Okay, hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back for some more Ada. It's like we're doing both scenarios and scenarios. Anyway, both scenarios in one game. I feel like. I don't know what these are. All I know is I only got one trophy so far. Let's go.
Leon, we're really out of time. You stay here and I'll go get Sherry's bags.
It's too dangerous. I'll go with you.
Thanks.
Let's do this.
I don't know what's going on here, but I don't think time is on our side.
Nope, wrong gun. You recognize the soundtrack, it's the same. I mean, not the same, but it's a remix. I need to download this soundtrack, it's awesome. Take care, Cadex. Thank you so much for being here. Take care. You do what you gotta do, man. Thank you so much for coming.
Leon, they're coming from behind, too!
She said.
Great! I really have to waste my bullets on you guys?
Is that from Sherry's vaccine?
I wonder if Sherry's alright.
She ran all the way here and did just fine. Look, it won't take much longer. She'll be alright.
Yeah, I guess. We need to find the entrance to the lab.
Over there.
Yeah, let's go. We're running out of time.
I guess this won't be that easy, huh?
I'm gonna kick their asses.
Let's see what's back there.
William! Don't you recognize me? I'm your wife, Annette. William, I'm sorry. But I've got to put an end to G.
Claire!
Annette!
G is growing even stronger. If you don't stop this, Sherry will...
Annette, please. We need to find the vaccine.
The P4 lab on the bottom floor. Please, help Sherry. Tell her that even though I failed as a mother, I have always loved her.
If they keep the same tone for Resident Evil 2 remake, it would be fantastic.
All right.
We need to find a way down to the lowest level. What is this place?
Get it!
I'm freaking out. No way. Woo! Shotgun it is.
These things freak me out.
It's moving.
This must be their leader. It looks harmless.
Leon, this way.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe I can equip the bow gun. Like that. Let's see. Yes, I can. Whoa, 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 whoa. And another thing. Oh, I don't have. I was hoping for an herb, but nope. So useless. I really need to heal, huh?
This way.
Hang on. Can I do anything with coins? Because I've been collecting coins. No, I can't, eh? Nope. Grenades. I'm gonna put them here, actually. There you go, come on. Whew. and I need to use it right away. Better than nothing. Now in the second game, in the first game, crap, pressed the wrong button. In the original game, there's lickers here, so in this game, spiders. No, 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 no!
Which way should we go?
Let's head straight.
It's so quiet.
Yeah. Not to mention. What is this? A surveillance room?
Leon, take a look at this.
Isn't that?
We just came through there.
Look at the item box.
It's coming!
Where is it?
Look at both ways.
Shoot it!
No! I died. I died. Because he looked both ways and he reloaded. Ah, man! I have to do this thing again. Alright. No problem. Wow. So useless, these. In fact, switching over.
Which way should we go?
Let's head straight.
It's so quiet.
Yeah. Not to mention.
Let's try something. Hang on, because I noticed that the recording in the stream is quite dark. I want to see if I can increase the brightness. How do you do that? Please see the line of rhythm. Oh. So I can't really. That's strange. That's very strange. Oh, you want to increase the brightness? Do it on your TV.
What is this? A surveillance room?
Leon, take a look at this.
Isn't that?
We just came through there! It's coming!
Where is it?
Of course. Oh my goodness.
It could be here any second! Let's move!
What did this?
It looks like a nest.
God damn it!
Oh my god!
It's huge!
The moth.
Hey, Claire! This is it!
P4 level lab. Let's go!
Come on, I need that. Anything else in here? Oh no! I need to be quick.
What the hell? It looks like we can use this to formulate a vaccine.
How's the vaccine coming along?
It's ready.
Good. Let's get back to Sherry.
Right.
No. You're vulnerable when you have to do it. Yes, I do, and let's use it. That's when you're vulnerable. Other than that, the game is pretty much easy. Oh crap.
We've got no time for this!
My signal. Run. Now!
We still have to go get Sherry.
They're blocking our way!
wrong button. Oh, wrong. No! Empty gun, I didn't realize. Oh, man. You're gonna pay for that. Level 2. There's one door down there, one we just passed. Then there's this middle door. It doesn't exist in the game. They're gonna keep going up now. Look. Oh wait. Exactly. Look, they're gonna keep going up. That door doesn't exist in Resident Evil 2. They just added the area. Come on, pick it up. That's good. Oh, come on, you're gonna get all of this.
We're almost there!
See how many times they climbed up? Oh, I've opened the door. Nice. Wow. Ah, come on. Everything's empty now. I'm running on empty.
I hope we're not too late.
I don't care what it takes. We're gonna make it back in time.
All right.
We have to hurry!
Oh, damn it! What's going on?
Is that William?
Oh my goodness, I kept staring at him. There's no way I'm gonna defeat this guy. I'm running. I have no ammo. Let's see. I've got no ammo. Okay, well, that's all I got.
We have to hurry!
Oh, damn it! What's going on?
William?
I didn't stand a chance. Barely touching him. Oh man, this gun sucks.
It's jammed!
Probably because the system is down. It's coming!
I'm not gonna stand a chance. I'm not gonna stand a chance. Hey, Luca! Wow, this is hard. Let me assign the weapons again. This goes here, and this goes there. Come on, we can do this. I don't think I assigned it properly. Well, I have, yes, let's go.
We have to hurry!
God damn it! What's going on?
Is that William?
Ooh, look at that! Look at this health. That's on me.
It's jammed!
Probably because the system is down. It's coming!
No, he's still moving.
Yeah.
No, he's not. He's still moving.
We need to reboot the system. Otherwise, we won't be able to get back to Sherry.
What the?
Did he transform? I thought we killed him!
Here he comes! I don't believe it! Just keep shooting!
All with the pistol, that's all I have. I have one magnum left. There you go.
Go, go, go! We need to find another door.
No, hang on, let me just heal.
How the hell did he get so strong?
He must have evolved!
Is this what the G-Virus does? This one's locked too. What are we gonna do?
How many weapons now?
Don't stop! Keep firing! Just keep shooting!
We can do it. Stop moving! Oh, indeed we did. Literally went down. Come on. We have to get Sherry and go back.
What was that?
No! Not again!
Oh God!
Gotta be kidding! It's getting bigger! This is crazy!
But I don't have weapons.
This is a nightmare! Where is he?
Can't be far! Be careful!
I'm not doing any damage. Not doing any damage. This is too much. How am I gonna do this? No ammo whatsoever.
What was that? Oh God!
Gotta be kidding! It's getting bigger! This is crazy!
This is a nightmare! Where is he?
Can't be far! Be careful!
There's no way I'm gonna do this. There's no way I'm gonna do this. How am I gonna do this? Oh man. Let me try one more time.
What was that? Oh God!
I probably need to hit the eyes, but I can't. I just
Gotta be
can't.
kidding! It's getting bigger! This is crazy!
It's impossible to avoid those attacks.
This is a nightmare! Where is he?
Can't be far! Be careful!
avoid these. That's it. Oh my goodness. Hang on. My other computer died. How weird. It crashed. I never saw my iMac crash, ever. That's very strange. We'll see.
far! Be careful!
Hang on, be right back. With all the gold coins that I collected, can I perhaps buy some ammo or something? Hang on, let's see. Let's see if it makes a difference. Customize score. Well, let's try to upgrade the handgun. And rate of firepower. Yes. 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 That's it. Power C. Rate of fire. Yeah, sure. Or the capacity. Shall we go for capacity? Stopping power. Yeah. Force projectile. Let's do that one. No more monies. Okay. Let's see if we can continue again with that gun now. See if it makes any difference. $15, $12, $13, $15, 13, 10. This must be it. Let's try. Let's go.
Warning. A safety hazard has been detected in the power pole. Please rectify the cause immediately.
Leon, we're really out of time. You stay here and I'll go get Sherry's vaccine.
It's too dangerous. I'll go with you.
Thanks.
Let's do this.
I don't know what's going on here, but I don't think time is on our side.
Maybe the gun's a bit better, I don't know. The handgun is better, so I should be able to perform better.
Leon, they're coming from behind too!
Great! I really have to waste my bullets on you guys?
I wonder if Sherry's alright.
She ran all the way here and did just fine. Look, it won't take much longer. She'll be alright.
Yeah, I guess. We need to find the entrance to the lab.
Yeah, let's go. We're running out of time.
I guess this won't be that easy, huh?
I'm gonna kick their asses!
It annoys me so much.
Let's see what's back there.
William! Don't you recognize me? I'm your wife, Annette. William, I'm sorry. But I've got to put an end to G.
Annette!
G is growing even stronger. If you don't stop this, Sherry will...
Annette, please. We need to find the vaccine.
The P4 lab on the bottom floor. Please, help Sherry. Tell her that even though I failed as a mother, I have always loved her.
Let's go.
All right.
We need to find a way down to the lowest level. What is this place? Get it! These things freak me out.
My God.
It's moving.
It's moving.
This must be
Their leader.
It looks harmless.
Leon, this way.
Okay.
You see, look at that. They're gonna go down one more level, I think. You see? That doesn't exist in Resident Evil 2. So they added an extra area once again. And there's another level down there as well. Let's see how many bombs I have. I have 3. Maybe I can conserve them for the final fight.
This way.
I'll take that, please. Thank you. How many do I have now? Just 1, I suppose. Yep. Ah, crap, wrong button.
Which way should we go?
Let's head straight.
It's so quiet.
Yeah. Not to mention.
You have to switch the weapon now.
What is this? A surveillance room?
Leon, take a look at this.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I was trying to skip the cutscene. Doesn't work apparently.
Isn't that?
We just came through there. It's coming!
Where is it? Shoot it!
Ah!
It could be here any second. Let's move!
What did
Keep it on
this?
again. No, actually, I'm gonna switch to the handgun. I don't care. I don't care.
Looks like a nest.
I wanna conserve.
God damn it!
I wanna conserve ammunition for the final fight.
Oh my God!
Okay, moving on.
Hey, Claire! This is it!
P4 level lab. Let's go! Like we can use this to formulate a vaccine.
Hurry!
Yes.
How's the vaccine coming along?
It's ready.
Good. Let's get back to Sherry.
Right.
I'm gonna have to heal, whether I like it or not. Let's go.
We've got no time for this!
My signal. Run! Now!
They're blocking our way!
That was weird. Come on.
Be careful.
Every single time. I'm in danger now. Frickin' reload. Hang on. I don't want to die. I'm gonna switch. No, I'm gonna keep this weapon actually. I died anyway? Oh my goodness. Trying to save some ammo, but it's costing me my health.
We're running out of time!
course. Can we just run away from them? Apparently not. Doesn't even work if I use the knife, nothing. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Come on. I'm on caution. Come on.
We're almost there!
Not these again. Let's get out of here.
Too late.
I don't care what it takes. We're gonna make it back in time.
We have to hurry!
Oh, damn it! What's going on?
William?
There he is. I died with just one hit. Oh man. Come on, I have a lot of ammunition now. I should be okay.
We have to hurry!
Oh, damn it! What's going on?
Is that William?
It's jammed!
Probably because the system is down! Is he dead?
Yeah, he's dead.
No, freaking.
We need to reboot the
Gone
system.
to heal as well. Let's go.
Otherwise, we won't be able to get back to Sherry.
What the?
Did he transform? I thought we killed him!
Here he comes! I don't believe it! Go, go, go! We need to find another door. How the hell did he get so strong?
He must have evolved!
Is this what the T-Virus does? This one's locked too. What are we gonna do?
this far. I still have shotgun shells and I have 3 grenades. Whew.
We did it!
Okay, let's see.
What was that? Oh God!
Got him, kid! Getting bigger! This is crazy!
I need to assign these here. Okay, we're good.
This is a nightmare! Where is he?
Can't be far! Be careful!
This is not working out. Try again. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Ah.
What was that? Oh God!
Got him, kid! Getting bigger!
This goes here. Yes. Actually, you know what? Maybe this has more firepower. Rate of fire. Power B, and this one has C. So, strictly speaking, this should be better anyway. Alright, let's go.
This is crazy!
This is a nightmare! Where is he?
Can't be far! Be careful! taking you down!
Oh man, I'm getting close, but still, I don't feel like starting over again. Okay, come on.
What was that? Oh God!
Can't be far. Be careful.
Something tells me we're not done.
Did we do it?
I don't know, but I don't want to wait around and find out. Once we take care of Sherry, we're out of here.
Yeah. Let's go.
No continue clear, no damage clear. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Customize, let's see. Can I upgrade? I can't upgrade anything, I don't have enough coins, so let's go. Hey JK! Nice to see you! We're playing some Resident Evil Umbrella Chronicles. Sorry, not Umbrella Chronicles, the Darkside Chronicles. Why do I keep messing this up? It's the Darkside Chronicles. Just revisiting Resident Evil 2, since we don't have the remake yet. Okay. Next.
The vaccine worked, and Sherry, but time was running out. The second countdown to self-destruction were slipping by, and our only escape was through a hidden subway.
Initiating final stage of facility self-destruct protocol. All employees must evacuate the platform immediately.
Let's go. We're done here.
Yeah. Come on, Sherry.
Not these again.
Move!
No. Everything's going great, JK. Thank you for asking. I hope everything's going great for you too. No, that's the wrong way. There's nowhere to go over there.
Great. I guess this is the farewell party.
Sherry, you run on ahead!
Crap.
Okay.
Okay, switching guns. Oh, wow, so many!
Where? Leon! Come on!
There's no point. Actually, yes, that can lead to...
Hurry!
I'm not so sure where this elevator leads to. My channel's doing alright, I guess. The status of my channel is that I'm no longer with the copyright strike. They decided to remove...
Retreat!
We're here. Okay.
This'll probably get us out of here. Come on, hurry!
I didn't pick it up. Oh my goodness, Tyrant.
Wait, you're...
I thought he fell into the blast furnace!
God damn it! He's supposed to be dead!
We've got to stop him! Sherry, get on, hurry! Alright, be careful!
blocking it.
Watch out for his claws! The stairs!
My shotgun's empty. Hang on, healing. Oh, wrong button. I'm pressing the wrong button. Oh, jumping over the trains. You see what's in there? What? Empty. My gun is empty. Shotgun's empty. Machine gun's empty. How about the magnum gun?
Where'd he go? Shit! This way!
It's moving way too fast for me to catch the items.
Shoot him!
Misses. That's it. Oh my goodness, I keep missing the shots. Yes, I picked something up. Ah. What are you doing? Ooh, I hit it in the head. That's what I need to do. It's too hard. It's too hard to hit in the head. Ah, there you go. I think I have a first aid spray. Yes, yes, yes. Whew. Yeah, almost 1k subs. Slowly, slowly though. I'm not really focused on subs, to be honest with you now. I'm just enjoying my channel, being here, making nice content, enjoying my streaming. No, it's not about the subs really. Just enjoy yourself and do what you do best. You'll get there.
Aim for his head!
Easier said than done. His head is very small. No way.
Is he regenerating?
How the hell are we supposed to kill this freak? Use this!
Ada! Is that you?
Leon! We need to take him
Able
out
threw me a rocket
first.
launcher. Okay. Okay, I need to equip that apparently. So we're going to equip it instead of this. And we need to take our shots right, huh? Ouch. What the heck?
Shoot him, come on! We need to catch him off guard somehow!
Okay, now I know what I need to do. Okay. There you go. There you go. Now. No, I messed up. I messed up because no problem. I can do it again. I hope I don't have to start over. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I have to do it again! Ah!
This'll probably get us out of here. Come on, hurry!
Wait! You're...
The blast furnace!
Damn it! He's supposed to be dead!
We've got to stop him! Jerry, get on! Hurry!
This end! Right here, right now! The stairs!
You really like to jump around a lot, don't you?
Watch out for his claw! Jump!
This thing'll never die!
Oh my goodness, I missed out because I was refilling the gun. Oh my goodness, I missed out on a first aid spray. That's super ridiculous.
There he is! Shoot him! Good! This way!
Got the useless gold. I pressed them! I pressed them! I deserve to die. I deserve to die.
A train! This'll probably get us out of here. Come on, hurry!
Wait! You're...
I thought it fell into the blast furnace!
Damn it! He's supposed to be dead!
We've got to stop him! Jerry, get on! Hurry!
Right now!
Oh, it's empty.
Watch out for his claw! The stairs!
You really like to jump around a lot, don't you?
Doing well now. To pick that up, I need to pick that up.
This thing'll never die!
Oh, reloading again! Oh my goodness, always! Always the same thing! I'm not gonna do it now.
Yeah! This way!
I'm not gonna do it. Ah! Loading every single time. Oh my goodness.
Aim for his head!
If I had that first aid spray, I would.
No way! Is he regenerating?
How the hell are we supposed to kill this freak? Use this!
Ada!
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do it, but I'll try. Oh, I have herb! Oh my goodness, I forgot about this. Okay. And I had also the... That's good. Okay, let's try. I think there's a chance I can do this, actually.
Leon, we need to take him out first!
Come on. Dang it! Come on, so close. That freaking chicken little... that first aid spray. It's because of that first aid spray. I have to do this all over again. If I don't pick up the first aid spray, I'm gonna rage quit. And that's it. I'm gonna quit. It's too much.
A train! This'll probably get us out of here. Come on, hurry!
Wait! You're...
I thought you fell into the blast furnace!
God damn it! You're supposed to be dead!
We've got to stop it! Jerry, get on! Hurry! Hurry! Be careful!
This end! Right here, right now! The stairs!
I do have a nerve, yeah? Yes. Come on, I can do this. Some damage, but it's fine.
Where'd he go? Here, this way! There he is! Shoot him! Good! This way!
every single time. Goodness. I pressed it! Oh my goodness. I did press it. It's okay, I'm full health now. It's hard aiming with the analog. So hard. That the weapon is equipped because it wasn't. There you go. Equip it real quick. Oh, I made a boo-boo again. I messed up. It's okay. Regenerate it again.
Why isn't it working?
What should we do?
Oh my goodness, this is getting ridiculous.
A train! This'll probably get us out of here.
Ah, well, perfect.
Wait, you're...
I thought he fell into the blast furnace!
God damn it! He's supposed to be dead!
We've got to stop him! Jerry, get on, hurry! Alright, be careful!
Listen, right here, right now! Watch out for his claw! The stairs!
I need to pick this up.
This thing will never die!
It's not even that hard. It's just the strategy.
Where'd he go? Here, this way!
Shotgun time.
This way!
Whew. Come on. Ah, damn it. And then it's just me and the pistol. Well, I got the magnum as well. But... Come get it.
Here it comes!
I did press them! I did press it! I am going to heal. And I'm going to... nothing. Just gonna get a hit now. There you go. Oh, wow. Look what Nightbot told you. Is it more than 15 minutes? 15 minutes? What 15 minutes? What are you talking about? 15 minutes? What? What 15 minutes? I have no idea what you're on about, buddy. What are you talking about? An hour? It's more than 15 minutes. Why did I say? When did I say an hour? When did I say an hour? Anyway, yes. Let me be. Let me be. I'm having a hard time defeating this monster. My goodness. Alright. Okay, let's try again. It's hard aiming at his face. Without a mouse. You know what I'm talking about, right? It's alright, it's alright. My first phase 3. And I have a rocket launcher. No, 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 no! Ouch! Okay. I know I am. I'm gonna be okay. Trust me, I'm an engineer. I'm going to dodge your attack. Then shoot you in the face. No way! I don't get it. I don't know what I need to do. I'm getting confused. Over there. To die very, very soon. But first, I don't know when I need to use the rocket launcher. I don't know. And I died. You didn't get banned. You didn't get banned. You didn't get banned. Ah!
Leon, now!
Come on, no!
Why is it working?
What should we do?
Oh, it takes forever to reload the gun. We can do this, man. We can do this. Go on, regenerate again. Come on, go, buddy, go. Go on, regenerate. He is gonna regenerate now. Now's our chance, yes. Now's our chance. Come on, do it.
Damn it! I need more firepower!
Use the rocket launcher!
I got the rocket launcher. I'm shooting. What is... Not working. He's gonna go regenerate. I'm gonna die. He's gonna go regenerate, however. Go regenerate. Go regenerate.
He's on his knees! Do it! This is insane!
No! He threw the rocket back at me! Ah, that's enough. That's enough. That's insane. There was no way I was gonna do that. Oh. Oh, man. That's it for me. I am going to call it a day. Rage quit. I was gonna throw away my headset, but no. I'm not gonna throw away my headset. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna make myself another drink and hit the bed. Thanks to everyone who stopped by. It was nice having you. It's always a pleasure. Thank you so much. Stop laughing, Carl. Stop laughing or I'll ban you. Stop laughing. Oh man. The strike wasn't for 1 hour. What you talking about, Willis? The strike lasted, it's supposed to be 6 months, the strike. But I complained and all that. But anyway, I'm gonna stop. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!